We're on SAT Practice Test 7, Math, Section 2, Question 19. What's the level of difficulty here? It's hard, but the good news is this is not a stupid hard problem. This is one of these problems that you just have to put your head down and work through. A right circular cone has a volume of 71,148 pi, and the area of its base is 5,929 pi. What's the slant height in centimeters of this cone? All right, fine. So always want to start by drawing the figure. A cone looks like this. There's a radius. There's a height. What's the slant height? If you've never heard of it, that's okay. It's got to be a slant. This is the only thing that's a slant. So that's the thing you're looking for. You do not have to memorize this formula. Evil Testing Service gives it to you. I've printed it out right here. And all you got to do on these things is plug and chug. So start by writing the formula. And then just put in what you know. What's the volume? Equals 1/3. Now think about this for a second. Pi r squared. You know this. What is pi r squared in this formula? It's this area right here. It's the area of the circle. And we know that the area of the circle is 5929 pi. So 5929 pi times h. What's going to happen to the pi's in this algebra? They're going to go away. And then what should you do here? You should get rid of this 1/3. Easiest way to do that is to multiply both sides by 3. Luckily, you got a calculator. So the left side is 213,444. And it's just 5929h. And this is a very simple algebra situation. You're going to divide, and you're going to get 36. So the height is 36. Now we just have to figure out the radius. Well, you know that pi r squared equals 5929 pi. This is a little bit of wasted math. You'll see in a second, but it's okay. So radius squared is 5929. So you're going to unsquare it. And you're going to get radius equals 77. All right, cool. So you have everything you need to find the slant height. How do you do it? You've got a right triangle here, right? So it's just a squared plus b squared equals c squared. 36 squared plus 77 squared. And you're going to see that 77 squared is 5929, which of course you kind of already had, but that's okay, no big deal. You're going to add them together, you're going to get 7225. So c squared equals 7225. You're going to unsquare, or take the square root of both sides. And after all that work, you're finally going to get 85. That's the answer. It's D. So you pick it and you move on. The one thing I would leave you with is I wrote down a lot of steps here. You can probably get away with writing down fewer steps. But do go through the math. This is a great problem in the sense that there's not a lot of tricks here. Anyone can get this right if they're willing to do the work.